Okay, so let's solve this problem around Facebook ad card payment decline issues. So you want to run your ad and you notice that your Facebook ad card payment is always declined, for one reason or another. What is the cause and how can you solve this problem? So the first thing you need to really understand is that this problem is always more common, around African and Asian countries. I don't know if you live in the US or in some of these first world countries, you will likely not have these issues, okay? But if you have that issue too, okay, we should be able to solve that in this video. Now, the truth of the matter is most times it is because of the card that you're using. In many countries, there are different government policies that, come up every time. For example, I live in Nigeria, and we have had occasions where the federal government of Nigeria just decide that the banks should stop allowing international transactions on our ATM cards. And then when you put that on Facebook, Facebook bounces it and it doesn't work. Okay, I don't know why it might also be occurring in your own case, but most time it has something to do not with Facebook per se, it is with the card you're using. Okay, so the truth of the matter is that if you use a good card, a card that is internationally recognized, you are not going to have this problem. And that is the reason why I am always recommending that people use the PST card. Okay, if you use the PST card, it will go. It doesn't matter where you live, either you're in Africa, you're in North America, you're in Asia, you're in Europe, wherever you are, PST card always work for everybody. So if you have been having this recurrent problem around not being able to pay for your ads on Facebook or even any other social media ad at all, please check the link in the video description. Click on that PST, sign up for your card. Get your card from PST side, and I can assure you that when you use it on your Facebook ad, it's always going to go 100%. Okay, so all you need to do is just to sign up for this card using the simple sign up process that I've explained in other videos. I will link those videos also in the video description. Okay, once you get your card ready, all you need to do is to come back to your Facebook ad manager. I'm going to come here. I'm actually in my business.facebook.com in my meta suite here. So if I come to billings and payments here, if I click on that, it's going to load. Okay, and as you can see here that the card that I'm using here is actually working. I don't have any issue with it. So in your own case, once you get that card ready, all you need to do is just to come to this payment method here, click on that. Okay, so once it takes you to this point, what you want to do is you want to come here, you want to select your hard account. Okay, I'm going to select this here. And once I do, it's going to bring me up to this point. I want to add my new payment method. All I need to do is just to click on this add payment method here. And once I do, this pop-up is going to come up and then just going to come here. Okay, you're going to choose your debit or credit card. You're going to click on next, and then all you need to do is to add in the name of your card as you got it from your PST website. You're going to add the card number, your year and months for the card and the CVV. And once you click on save, this card is going to go. And I can assure you that I'm not going to have problem around Facebook denying you from being able to add your payment card and pay for your Facebook ad so that you can run your ad successfully. So that's how it goes. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer. To get the PST card, just click the link in the video description. It's going to take you to the website and then you're going to get your card and you can use it not just for Facebook, but because we are talking about Facebook in this video, you can use it to run your ad successfully without having any issues. Please like this video and share so that more persons can get to see this video. I'll see you in another one. Thank you.